So today we're going to do a little repair on an old school Forschner butcher knife. Belongs to one of my good butcher clients here in Lake City, Texas, Stone Cold. And I don't know if you can see this or not. We'll see if we can do a little better job here. You can see it is pretty dented up. Not unusual for an old knife like this, but this is a beautiful old knife. Wood handle, it's been taken pretty good care of, and it's got little dents in the blade. You can see it right there. Can you see those blades? Let's see if you can see that. That's pretty beat up, and it's very dull, and we're going to fix that and make this thing cut like it's brand new. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grind it down a little bit here with the old Harbor Freight 1x30 and take out some of these nicks. And I'm just going to reshape this blade just a little bit. I'm not going to go overboard with it. And I'm going to use my Sunmax 400 grit belt. And I think that's all I'm going to need. I'll reshape this blade. A little bit more. Because I think when I put the new bevel on this, we won't see those dings in the blade anymore. Blade's not hot. It's still got some dings in the blade. I'm going to work it a little bit more. And I think that looks pretty good. I can take out the rest of it on the AMK 75. I'm also going to clean this edge up there. this had been beaten on. You could tell that they had pounded on it. There's still a little nick right there. Let's see if we can get that out. Purely cosmetic work there. No function to the knife whatsoever, but it looks pretty good. And now we're going to sharpen it. So I've got it chucked up in my holder for my AMK 75 sharpener. I'm going to zero out my protractor, digital protractor, or digital edge finder. And I'm going to put a 20-degree bevel on each side of this knife for the client. So we're going to start off with a pretty heavy 120 grit and see how this works out. We got some grinding to do. Don't get in a hurry. I don't want to heat up the blade. I'm already getting a burr in certain spots on the blade. So we're getting there. Looks pretty good. I've got a burr all the way across the blade now. So this was a worn out 3M120 Cubitron belt. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 200, 250 grit. Now I'm going to go to a 200 grit belt. This is one of the Trizac belts I always talk about. They're very good belts. They don't heat up the blade. 600. And you know what? I'm not going to go to 1200. I'm going to just go to a felt belt. Scuff up the felt belt a little bit. I'm just going to take the burr off of it. Flip that burr over a couple of times. That looks real good. All the little dings are out of the blade. It's sharp. And I'm gonna do a couple other things for it just to make it look pretty good. I'm gonna clean it up with the Dremel, and then I'm gonna use a little mineral oil on the handle to bring out the look of it. And we'll be done for the client. So I put it in a little pan and I put some food grade mineral oil on the handle, and I'm going to come back every couple of hours and put another coat on it and get the handle rehydrated with a little mineral oil, and it'll look better on this old knife.